Permanent serialized containers have always been a great way to link serialized assets together in Current. They're useful when assets are semi-permanently housed together, like lamps on a bar, racks of gear, or camera kits. If you're working with flight cases or other containers where assets might not always stay together, temporary containers will be a boon to your operations. Use temporary containers to pre-package cases in the warehouse, ready to be sent out on a job. Everything in the container is booked out together, but checked in piece by piece, handy when items might come back in different cases than they went out in. Head to Resources, Serialized Containers to see all of the permanent and temporary containers on your system. To create a new container or see what's in an existing one, scan or type the asset number. Make sure your container mode is set to temporary and start scanning or typing barcodes to add to the container. You may add serialized, bulk, and non-stock items to a temporary container, perfect for adding spare cables. If you like, set the quantity before adding. Made a mistake? Scan something out of the container by toggling the scan mode to out and scanning or typing an asset. When it's time to prep a job, head to the Opportunity Detail view as normal. On our opportunity, we need some speakers and some moving lights. To allocate, let's scan a couple of temporary containers into the job. Our container was pre-packaged with 4 speakers, so we can see that now we only need 2 speakers to fulfill the opportunity. We'll scan another. Now the line for the speakers has been fully allocated. The container and our cables have been added to the opportunity in a special Spares and Containers group. The 2 extra speakers in our case were added here as well. The group isn't printed on customer-facing paperwork and it isn't included on the final invoice. Scan the container to prep and book out all of the components inside of it. When the job comes back, our 8 speakers might have been packed into different cases. Not a problem. Scan each component as well as the container to tell Current RMS that everything returned. When we finalise, our temporary containers are considered emptied. There's nothing inside them, so we can head to Resources Serialized Containers to start building them up. For a full overview of temporary containers, get in touch with the team today.